Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you PURITO Defense Barrier pH Cleanser review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging? It comes in a silicone squeeze tube and the product packaging is really good, and the product is very trouble friendly and sturdy packaging. So this product is very effective for our skin, and this is a gel type cleanser that smells like tea tree oil, not as a strong smell. So the smell is very refreshing and the product is very effective for our skin. And it foams up a little bit if you add water and rub your hands together. This is an amazing cleanser for your skin, and this cleanser is very effective on all skin types like dry, combination, normal or oily. So this product is very effective for our skin, and the PURITO Defense Barrier pH Cleanser is a gentle, non-irritating formula that is great for all skin types. It is especially recommended for those with dry skin, as its low pH from 5.5 does not disturb your skin's natural acid mantle. So acid mantle is a very thin acidic film on your skin's surface that helps protect it from harmful contaminants such as bacteria and pollutants. So high pH cleansers can strip this acid mantle, leading to the tight, squeaky, clean feeling on your skin. The PURITO Defense Barrier pH Cleanser contains tea tree leaf oil, Centella asiatica extract and royal jelly extract and grapefruit extract to gently cleanse and exfoliate your skin. So this cleanser is very effective for our skin. So now I'm saying that how to use this cleanser. After oil cleansing, use PURITO Defense Barrier pH Cleanser as a second cleanser by dispensing a moderate amount and spreading all over your face using massaging motions. Rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. And this cleanser has pH 5.5, which is slightly acidic like the skin. It has gentle surfactants and promises to take care of the skin's natural barrier while removing dirt and makeup residue. So as I'm sure most of you know, a pH balanced cleanser is really important for keeping the skin healthy. So this product is very effective for our skin, and this product, what I like most about this cleanser is that it leaves your skin feeling really clean and not tight or dry. It removes all the dirt and residue from sunscreen, makeup and your oil cleanser effectively. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.